Welcome to 1333 Lotus Street. This cute 3-bedroom, 1 full bath brick bungalow with a fenced backyard and hardwood and tile flooring inside. It's located in the Rosewood neighborhood in Columbia, just a few minutes from downtown Columbia, with easy access to University of South Carolina, downtown amenities, as well as Fort Jackson and Rosewood dining and shopping. So we're out front. You can see you have a nice sized front yard. Driveway is over to the right over there. It's a brick home. You have a covered front porch out here, which is a really nice size. And then we go through the pretty blue-green door into the living room right off the entry. So you can notice the real hardwood floors in the living room. Those are throughout pretty much all of the house, the bedrooms and hallway as well. Only exception is the kitchen and the bathroom. But a nice sized room here. You have recessed lighting. There's a built-in shelf and some storage in the back corner. And then you can see the pass-through to the kitchen. Nice neutral paint colors throughout as well. So the kitchen has an eat-in area over here, and then white cabinets, gray countertops, as well as white appliances. There's a refrigerator, electric stove, and dishwasher as well. Window over the sink here. And then your laundry area is in the kitchen as well, or just right off of it. Back here in the corner, full-size washer and dryer connections, and then access to the backyard via the door here as well. So covered as you come out of here as well. So you have a small back deck area. And then out in the yard itself, you can see fenced yard, which is a really nice size. And then back inside, the bedrooms and bathroom are all off of the hallway back on this end of the home. So you can see sort of a wide central hallway area, and then you have bedrooms kind of circling around. So first is this one. All three do have ceiling fans. This one has corner windows looking out to the porch that comes out of the back of the kitchen. Closets on the opposite wall there. And the closets in all the rooms are pretty much the same size as an older home, so closet sizes tend to be smaller. You have a linen closet here in the hallway as well. And then a full bathroom with tile flooring. You have a single vanity, this oval mirror, some updated lighting, brown molding in here. And then you have a updated shower and tub enclosure. A nice shower head there. And then bedroom number 2. This one's on the back right corner of the home if you're looking at it from the backyard. Closet in the corner here, again roughly same size as the first one we looked at. And then last but not least, the front facing bedroom. This one may be a little bit larger, but they're all pretty much roughly the same size. Closet again is over here, and 2 windows in this room. One out to the front and one out to the side as well. So that completes our tour of this cute home in Rosewood, and the address is 1333 Lotus Street. You can find out more information online by visiting turnerproperties.com.